In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to create a new board in Monday.com step by step. Whether you're managing projects, tracking clients, organizing marketing tasks, or planning content, creating the right board is the foundation of staying organized inside Monday.com. By the end of this video, you'll know how to set up a board from scratch, choose the right board type, and customize it to fit your workflow perfectly. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to Monday.com. Log into your account using your email and password. Once you're inside, you'll land in your main workspace. This is where all your boards, dashboards, and folders live. If you belong to multiple workspaces, make sure you're inside the correct one before creating your new board. Now, to create a new board, look at the left-hand panel or the top area of your workspace. You'll see a button labeled either +Add, +New, or sometimes +Add Board. The wording can vary slightly depending on updates, but it will always include a plus symbol. Click on that button. When you click it, a small menu will appear. From the options shown, choose New Board. This tells Monday.com that you want to create a completely new board rather than a dashboard or document. Next, you'll be prompted to name your board. This is an important step because the name should clearly reflect what the board is for. For example, you could name it Marketing Tasks, Client Projects, Sales Pipeline, Content Calendar, or anything that matches your workflow. You'll also see an option to add a board description. This part is optional, but it's helpful if you're working with a team and want to explain the purpose of the board. After naming your board, you'll need to choose the board type. Monday.com gives you three main options. The first option is a main board. This is visible to everyone in your workspace, so it's ideal for internal team projects. The second option is a shareable board. This allows you to invite external guests, such as clients, freelancers, or partners. The third option is a private board. This is only visible to the people you specifically invite, making it perfect for sensitive projects or management planning. Select the option that best fits your needs. Once you've chosen the board type, you'll decide how you want to start building it. You'll see two primary options. The first is Start from Scratch. This gives you a completely blank board where you can build everything manually. The second option is Choose a Template. Monday.com offers many pre-built templates such as CRM, Project Tracker, Content Calendar, Marketing Plan, and more. Templates are great if you want a ready-made structure that you can customize instead of starting from zero. If you select Start from Scratch, your new empty board will open immediately. If you choose a template, Monday.com will load that structure automatically for you. And just like that, your new board is ready. Now you can begin customizing it. You can add groups to organize your workflow, for example, To Do, In Progress, and Done. Groups help you break your board into clear sections. You can also add columns such as status, people, date, numbers, text, formula, or even time tracking depending on what you need. Columns define the type of information you'll track for each task or item. On top of that, you can add automations to save time. For example, you can set up an automation that moves a task to done when the status changes, or notifies a team member when a deadline arrives. You can also switch between different views like Calendar View, Gantt View, or Kanban View to visualize your data in different ways. Creating a well-structured board is the key to staying organized and productive in Monday.com. Once you understand this process, you can create as many boards as you need for different teams, departments, or projects. And that's it. That's exactly how to create a new board in Monday.com step by step. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Monday.com tutorials and productivity guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.